I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing the problem and collecting evidence so the admin can act fast. Note exact error text when it happened and which machine or service failed. Next, capture device details, operating system, browser, local IP, and hostname because those narrow root causes. Once done, review any recent changes like password resets or new software that might correlate. Make sure to save screenshots and logs. They cut troubleshooting time and avoid back and forth. Now build the message you'll send to the domain administrator, starting with a clear subject line that names the user and system affected. In the body, describe what you attempted already and the exact sequence that led to the failure, because that prevents duplicate steps. Attach screenshots, event logs, and timestamps so the admin can reproduce the issue. Also state urgency and business impact. If it's blocking work, flag it. Finally, request preferred contact method and available times for follow-up. Finish by confirming the admin received your ticket and what the expected response time is, since clarity prevents surprises. When they suggest fixes, apply only approved steps and record the outcome so both sides track progress. If a solution is delivered, validate access and share a brief success note. If the problem persists, ask explicitly for escalation steps and interim workarounds to keep you productive. One troubleshooting tip: if access is intermittent, capture a short screen recording to show timing and behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.